We are talking about coastal road, we're talking about infra projects. We know that Mumbai is currently a work in progress with several infra projects, the metro, the mono, the coastal road underway. The infra push, many feel, is skewed towards the rich and the privileged. And one of the foremost complaints that I keep hearing from urban planners is that why aren't we doing enough to make the city more walkable and pedestrian friendly?
Coastal road being implemented by municipal corporation, or be it the sea links being implemented by MSRDC, or be it 337 kilometer of metro lines being implemented by MMRDA, the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, the Worli-Shivdi connector, which we are doing it, everything is falling in a jigsaw puzzle, and the picture which will emerge by 2030 will not certainly be an ad hoc victimization of Mumbai, but it will certainly be a world-class city by then. Any such transformation and a large scale transformation of this nature, and that too in Mumbai, where I see that we perform open heart surgeries when the man is not given anesthesia. Okay, the city roads are functioning, the traffic is functioning. We do not close a single road for a single day when we are constructing metro in the heart of the cities. Having all these things, all these constraints, through that, in and through that, we are doing all these infrastructures. We are also working for WEH and EH. Somebody was talking about the pedestrianizations, the pedestrians, the cycle tracks, where we started developing cycle tracks in BKC. At one point of time, the first phase of cycle track, when it was developed, nobody was using cycle. At present, in BKC, at least 10,000 people are using cycles, the Yulu cycle, which has become very, very famous in city. In addition to that, 3 metro stations, we have introduced public sharing cycles in western suburbs, and they are being used on daily basis. Now, since people are using cycles, they need cycle tracks. And I said that cyclists, you go on the road and reclaim your space. We are also introducing cycle tracks and pedestrian movement on Western Express Highway and Eastern Express Highway. All along the Western Express Highway and Eastern Express Highway, which are with MMRDA, will be introducing. And I'm told that Municipal Corporation is also thinking to link all these cycle tracks and improve cycle movement in this city, which makes the first and last mile connectivity with all the metros coming up in the city. This year, 2 metro lines we are getting inaugurated. So every year, 1 metro line will get added to it. Mumbai, all said and done, is a public transport city. Most of the people, 80 lakh people every day travel by locals in a very crushed density. But by the time all these metro lines will get ready, 1 crore 20 lakh people capacity will get created in metros.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.